All right. So I got my radius tacked in. I got my my Rosetta welds welded in. I got my my Rosetta welds drilled in the top piece. So now I'm gonna go ahead and knock them welds down where they're flat. Then I'll go ahead and finish welding this radius across here and kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then, like I said, this piece, whoa, now it's stuck. This piece, lay in here, like that. And I fixed that radius so it'll all line up on the side there. So, and then fill in them radius welds and weld across there and down there. And do a little grinding on him. And that part will be done. And then, like I said, move on to whatever. I said I just gotta peck on them floors a little bit, see what's there, see what ain't. Pretty rough looking. See what smooths out. You just never know. They had some kind of stuff on there. Almost looked like spackling. It looked like it came from the factory like that. It's like the first coat they put on there, and then they put their soundproofing, and then they put on this car rubber mats. So I've been scraping that stuff off of there. That's some of what you're seeing there. That's why it looks so rough. And then some of it's rust. So I'm gonna keep going. Later.